Okay, just in case you want to have a specific color for your master page, for your signature colors, what you can do is open up Photoshop and let's see, let me open up my draft image in my final project. Images, giraffe, where's my giraffe? Okay, maybe this one has nice colors. Okay, so basically I'm going to I want giraffe colors. So if I double click on my swatches panel and I want to get this brown that the giraffe has. Oh, it's really tan actually. Maybe, there's a nice giraffe brown. Okay, so what I need to do is, because I'm knowing whether you're working with print or web is really important. So if you're working with web, you want the RGB numbers, RGB, but we're working with print, so we want CMYK. And what I'm going to do is write these numbers down: 45, 68, 92, and 52. Then, once I have oops, I accidentally clicked on another color. Anyway, whatever, I wrote down the color, so now I want to pick a lighter color for my my giraffe. A light goldeny color, kind of like a tan. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's a good color right there for the tan. So now I have two colors. And again, I want to write down these numbers, the CMYK. So in this case, it's 9, 29, 53, and 0. Then I'm done with Photoshop. I can just cancel out of that and minimize my window here and go back to my InDesign document. And now I can add the colors. So in order to do that, I can just click, make sure I'm in my master page again. Whoops. Double click. Okay, back to my master page. So I'm going to select the object that I want to fill with the color. And let's see, I'm going to create new swatch. And then it creates a copy of whatever I had before. Double click on that. And then now here I can enter my numbers, my cyan, my magenta, my yellow, and my black. So I'm going to do that right now. So I just did that 929, 53, 0, and then I've got the same goldeny color that I found in Photoshop. Hit OK, and if I click and hold it, it's kind of like a long click, then I can name it, and I'm going to call it Giraffe Tan, and hit enter, and then I've got my signature giraffe color, and I can just click on the other box and then choose the same swatch, and it automatically fills it. And I had that second color the dark brown. So again, all I have to do is pick whatever I want to change. So I'm going to change my page numbers to that dark brown. Highlight my A, and then for now, then you hit new swatch. Again, it makes a copy of whatever the color was of the object initially, and then your CMYK pops up again. You can enter the numbers. For my brown, it was 44, tab, 44, 68, 92, and 52. Oh, something's off. 44, 68, 92. Maybe the brown was like 25 or so.
Brown, Mommy.
Nope, that's not it. In this case, it seems a bit darker than what I wanted, so I'm just going to tone it down. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be exact, as long as you come up with something that you like. And you can also name it here. So I'm going to call this one Giraffe Brown, and then hit OK. All right, so now I'm going to select my other page number and also choose Giraffe Brown, and I want to move them up top into my color bar area. So I'm dragging them up, and then if you notice, they're going behind my color blocks because I think I made the page numbers first. So I just need to go Object, Arrange, and bring to front, and then they'll be in the front. And that's how you make custom colors. Oh yes, and the last thing for the master page was you also needed to do a little header or footer, which is just some verbiage. So I'm going to put right next to my page numbers, I'm going to put the title of my project, which is